Welcome to Sauce School, the official training portal for Sauce Labs. You can access Sauce School from the Sauce Labs homepage under Resources in the Training menu. You can also type in training.saucelabs.com to get to the platform. Sauce School is an online portal that provides users with self-paced opportunities to learn how to automate tests, as well as how to run and manage tests through Sauce Labs. Sauce School provides resources for individuals new to the automated testing journey, as well as Sauce-specific tutorials for those who are familiar with test automation. Each course contains several modules, which in turn contain several lessons. Users can take an entire course from beginning to end to learn all about test automation, choose a module to suit their needs, or even choose individual lessons to pick up specific skills. Earlier modules in the courses provide information and context for users new to automation, as well as help setting up your environment so you're ready to get started with test automation. Each module contains 2 quizzes to help support users and give them feedback on their learning progress. There are also several video tutorials to help users with their journey through the test automation process. With the Sauce School format, users are presented with a guided journey for writing test code with specific frameworks, enabling customers to not only make the best use of all of Sauce Labs' features, but also drive product-led growth by decreasing the time to market and delivering digital confidence. Sauce School provides resources to learn about the different tools Sauce Labs provides and integrates with, such as Sauce Connect Proxy and the on-demand Jenkins plugin. With the Sauce School training platform, you can make the most of your automated testing journey, learn about best practices, and unlock the power and potential of the Sauce Labs testing platform.